I hope the mic is working. Sometimes it runs out of battery and then it makes this like... Welcome back. We're gonna finish the floor today. We put the vinyl in the other day. This is my vinyl floor, which I installed in my van. And we had the subfloor a long time ago. Now we're finally gonna we're gonna do the stair edging, and then that's it for the flooring other than running silicone around the edges, which I'll just do at some point when I can let the van sit and dry. In order to do the stair edging, we bought a bunch of pewter colored metal stair edging or aluminum stair edging from Home Depot, Lowe's, lots of places have it. And we're going to cut it to size using a hacksaw and a speed square in order to hopefully create those fancy angles that you see where you cut them at 45-degree angles so that two pieces that meet at an angle can be flush rather than leaving a gap. We can leave a gap, but that kind of would probably bother me every single time I open the door. So we're gonna start cutting these to size, fitting them, screwing them into the subfloor, not the van, and then hopefully everything starts coming together and looks amazing. Let's go. All right, we cut this one at about 61 inches and a little bit extra, 61 3/4 roughly, which fits all the way along here. We're gonna take just some wood screws that aren't too long to screw into the 1/2 inch hardwood plywood subfloor. And then hopefully that will remain attached and this extra bit of vinyl won't hurt anything. And then here we're gonna put some like doormat rugs, except thicker and longer and just one solid piece cut to fit this size, so it'll kind of be like an entrance, and then that will block whatever unfinished bit you can see because this is only about 1 inch long. And then we'll move around to the other side. All in a day's work.
Overall, I am very happy with the stair edging. For those of you that remember, there was some bowing going on in the subfloor a couple of weeks ago or months ago. I have not noticed that resurfacing. I did have a lot of weight on the floor for about a month, and I think maybe that reversed the bowing and made it not as strong as it was before, and then therefore the adhesive was strong enough to hold it down. But then adding the stair edging on there made me really confident that I'm not going to see that bowing again. I think the pewter was a great choice, especially for the sand-colored floors that I have. I don't really like the silver aluminum stair edging that a lot of people use because it kind of just looks like it belongs in a gymnasium or a school or something. So I love the pewter. I love the stair edging. It looks amazing. I think it's a great finish to your floor.